controversial, it's never been revealed until today. And so powerful, it's scientifically proven to target the real root cause of your unbalanced blood sugar, increasing belly fat, and premature aging. But as you'll see, the effortless pinch method, known only to the inhabitants of a tiny mountainous Mongolian village, gets to work within minutes to rapidly and completely heal every single symptom of high blood sugar, melting away 74 pounds of ugly, sugary fat, going from this to this, my burger reading a healthy 117, saving me from the imminent threat of heart disease and vision loss, from the stabbing nerve pain in my feet and legs, and restoring my youthful energy, hope, sex drive, and zest for life would never enjoy again. My doctor giving me the all clear to throw my medications, test strips, and glucose readers in the with high blood sugar, desperate to know my secret. Used this method herself this morning to balance her blood toxic, sugary fat from all over her belly, arms, face, hips, and thighs. And yes, foods like brownies, pizza, cheesecake, and ice cream to become this sexy, gorgeous. I am proud to call my wife today, free from her unbearable